Hi guys, my name is Kellan, and today we're going to be making elephant toothpaste and comparing 3% hydrogen peroxide versus 30. And today my brother Kyler is going to be assisting. Right here! No!
Yeah, that's okay. Okay, now.
Before I get to my experiments, I want to give a little background story on why I wanted to research this. Me and my family have done a bunch of volcano eruption kits. Every time we have tried it, we get a little to no reaction. We wait, and there's a stutter with a bit of foam. The only time we get a fun reaction is if we shake up the container to speed up the reaction. This made me want to set out on a quest to find better chemical reactions which would create a real-life volcano eruption. Hi guys, today we're at the science store. We're gonna get some supplies. So we're gonna get potassium iodide, potassium permanganate, and hydrogen peroxide and some liquor. When I found out about elephant's toothpaste and devil's toothpaste online, I researched what chemicals I needed. I found out what the best reactions were with 30% and 50% hydrogen peroxide. I soon realized that it was very expensive to get these chemicals and also somewhat unsafe. My dad and I found a number of places to get them from, but only if you were a teacher from a school or a chemist. Finally, we were able to find some product we needed. Okay, so now we're going to be doing the experiment. We're going to be using dish detergent, blue food coloring, hydrogen peroxide, and a catalyst which makes it react faster. Okay, so we're going to be using dish detergent. We're going to be putting a little bit of this. And now you're going to put 5 drops of that. Okay, now we're gonna mix it up and add our catalyst. Okay, so that last one didn't really work. It was probably because the hydrogen peroxide was such a low amount. So now we're gonna put dish detergent, green food coloring, baking soda, vinegar, and
Circles. Oh, whoa.
Okay, now we're gonna do 30% hydrogen peroxide, the catalyst, red food coloring, and dish detergent. Okay, now we're gonna add the catalyst.
explodes.
I don't know what temperature it is. As you can see, this was a much better reaction because when that one it was a low percent and it was 3%. This was 30%, so it had more power and volume. And this was heat, and it had a lot of heat. I would only recommend doing this under parent supervision and with goggles, gloves, and a suit.